My name is Sue Galatowitsch, and I'm a professor in fisheries, wildlife, and conservation biology, and my specialty is ecological restoration, and I've been leading a research program and teaching classes in that for a few decades now. We met with the RCP folks and Mike Greco and also the Washington County Parks partners and the student, and then we formulated this development of a resilience assessment tool. And so it was really kind of co-production of a research project. And that's what I like a lot about what's possible with RCP. It's not like the student saying, I want to do this, or the partner saying, I want this. It's saying, hey, we seem to have a mutual interest. Let's talk about what we might be able to do here as a partner, in a partnership. Many of the RCP partners are in local government. And so students, I think, it's kind of exciting to know that what you're going to do actually could matter. It's not just something that some professor's going to look at and give you a grade and you're going to forget about it. The further you get into it, the more you realize somebody's taking you seriously. And so this is an opportunity for that project to actually matter, but then also the students getting confidence and an understanding of what it will be like to be in a professional role after they're done here at the university. Local government, like I've worked with Dakota County and with Washington County, and it's clear it's an opportunity for them to partner with a university professor and have everybody thinking together about a problem. And then we bring a student into it, and then they can be that sort of horsepower capacity to kind of try to tease out what might be possible here. I hope that many faculty, when they're contacted by the RCP staff, give the opportunity a good look and sort of trust the process and trust the deep experience of the RCP staff to really make these relationships work for both your partner as well as the instructor, and know that they work in a variety of settings, from individual master's students to entire classes. And so there's a lot of ways to make this opportunity work, and in a university that's positioned in an urban area, and we have so many local government units around us. It's a tremendous opportunity.